Jor. Hey guys, yan, nandito kami ngayon sa Fiesta City, Kuwait. Sa desierto ito, tingnan mo ginawa nila ng mga ilaw, mga rides. May snake pa guys, oh. Mamaya maganda ito sa gabi. Yan. Ada free ride, Jor? Huh? Why later? We want now. All dinosaurs. Daming dinosaur dito, guys, oh. Yan, napakagandang ginawa nila, oh. It's a man-made, guys. May man-made theme park. May dinosaur doon. Yan. Ito naman, oh, may mga sa pang kids talaga. Meron din silang food cart. Yan. Ang laki ng mga dinosaur. Hey, it look like real. Right? Ay, the motor, it's become big. Look, the dinosaur. He opened his mouth. There. Hajuring.
Hey! Let me see the dinosaur. Let's go!
What's your painting?
A bear.
Guys, ito na gabi na. Ayan na, nag-start na yung mga ilaw. What you buy?
Chai halib.
Wow, chai halib.
You want one?
No, later.
Huh?
Later. Later, Michelle. Guys, naku, ma-amaze talaga kayo sa mga ilaw. Grabe, ang gaganda. Parang you are in a fairy tale. Look at that. Mga ilaw lang yan sila. Yung design nila, ganda. Guys. Sila guys, na pwede mong rentahan. Yan. Hindi ko lang alam yung presyo. Meron din silang theme park. Dinosaur theme park nila. Yan. Ganda. Ano ito eh. Desert place. But they made it so pretty. So nice. Wonderful. Meron din silang stage for concert later. May magka-concert doon. Yan. May walking camel po. Yan. For rent naman yan, guys. Laki ng dinosaur, guys. Ganda na nakatako. Hinahanap ko yung yung view ng lugar. Ano ba bang pwede yung picturean? So far, ito pa. Meron mamaya mag-perform dito sa stage. Yan, guys. Oh, malawak siya. Malawak. Napakaganda. Hindi sayang yung bayad. Worth it yung bayad, guys. 2.5 sa mga children. Free rides na siya. Free na lahat sa mga games. 4K din naman sa adults. Yan. Hindi na makalaro yung mga bata. Ganda, guys. Ganda ng pagkagawa. I don't know from where they got this idea. Nanggagawa ng ganitong view. Yung design. Hindi ko alam. Pero, good job. Meron pa itong egg, oh. Sige na. Yan, meron pa silang egg ng dinosaur. Gumagalaw yung egg, guys. Gumagalaw siya. Hello, baby dinosaur. Ayan, gumagalaw siya, oh. Galing. Yala, go back, Jinan. Jinan! Hey, we will go there. Jinan, we go there, the concert. Wait, you want to pass here or there? Let's go. Here, Jinan, there's dinosaur. Tonight already.
Tonight, wherever this place is, there's dinosaurs, there's lights, there's pictures, there's like lights coming up and like places and stuff like that.
We go there.
No,
There we can sit down the concert there. Oh, that's moving, Michelle. Moving. Another one. Oh, so scary, guys. Ang saya-saya, you know, I'm so happy. I see the lights. Huh? So happy seeing this place. Gin na nagawa. Why you give her nagawa?
I drank it.
Wala may shit today. MashaAllah. Har. Wala hilong Michelle Wadid. Ha? Swaya.
Hey, what up?
Nine, nine. Sway, sway. Sway, sway.